Question number 1. If Lucas had more time, he travel A, can, B, would, C, shall. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2. Harper already called her friend. A, has, B, have, C, was. Option A is the right answer. Welcome to English Grammar Pro. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 5 seconds. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. Question number 3. Sophia. Her bag before leaving the house. A, checked. B, checking. C, check. Option A is the right answer. Question number 4. Oliver is interested. Astronomy A, on, B, with, C, in. Option C is the right answer. Question number 5. Chloe bought pair of shoes yesterday. A, some, B, A, C, an. Option B is the right answer. Question number 6. Olivia lives. New York. A, in, B, at, C, on. Option A is the right answer. Question number 7. Aiden wanted to. For the science competition. A, waste, B, cancel, C, prepare. Option C is the right answer. Question number 8. Ava and Henry. Studying for their test. A, was, B, is, C, are. Option C is the right answer. Question number 9. Tomorrow, I, my cousin, A, met, B, will meet, C, meeting. Option B is the right answer. Question number 10. The train always. On time. A, arriving. B, arrive. C, arrives. Option C is the right answer. Question number 11. She danced. Rain A. In the B, under the, C, below the. Option A is the right answer. Question number 12. They. English fluently. A, speaks. B, speak. C, speaking. Option B is the right answer. Question number 13. Look, the kids. In the pool. A, swim. B, are swimming. C, swims. Option B is the right answer. Question number 14. My keys. I can't find them. A, have lost. B, lose. C, loses. Option A is the right answer. Question number 15. I'm on the about whether to accept the job offer or not. A, line. B, wall. C, fence. Option C is the right answer. Question number 16. The workers. All the chairs before the guests arrived. A, are arranging. B, had arranged. C, arrange. Option B is the right answer. Question number 17. Ava. To London last summer. A, traveled. B, travel. C, travels. Option A is the right answer. Question number 18. While Ethan. The report. His laptop shut down. A, was writing. B, has written. C, writes. Option A is the right answer. Question number 19. Natalie. Never. Sushi before last night. A, have, ate. B, was eating. C, had eaten. Option C is the right answer. Question number 20. Matthew wants to. His English vocabulary daily. A, hide. B, waste. C, practice. Option C is the right answer. Question number 21. Abigail looked very. When she saw the surprise gift. A, hopeless. B, delighted. C, angry. Option B is the right answer. Question number 22. The documents. Sent yesterday. A, is. B, were. C, was. Option B is the right answer. Question number 23. If Sophia had practiced, she won the prize. A, would have. B, will. C, can. Option A is the right answer. Question number 24. Ethan spoke. Confidence in the meeting. A, with. B, by. C, to. Option A is the right answer. Question number 25. Chloe borrowed. Pencil from her classmate. A, Anne. B, some. C, a. Option C is the right answer. Question number 26. The room. Cleaned yesterday by Ava. A, has. B, was. C, were. Option B is the right answer. Question number 27. The group of students. Waiting for the bus. A, are. B, is. C, were. Option B is the right answer. Question number 28. By the time the police arrived, the thief A, escaped. B, has escaped. C, had escaped. Option C is the right answer. Question number 29. We arrived at the station, but the train. Left A, had already. B, already. C, already had. Option A is the right answer. Question number 30. Oliver. To London last weekend. A, go. B, goes. C, went. Option C is the right answer. Question number 31. The books on the table. New A, was. B, are. C, has. Option B is the right answer. Question number 32. Liam is polite. Strangers A, to. B, with. C, on. Option A is the right answer. Question number 33. Isabella is late. The meeting. A, at. B, with. C, for. Option C is the right answer. Question number 34. Grace is sure. Her answer. A, about. B, of. C, in. Option A is the right answer. Question number 35. I can't remember where my keys yesterday. A, leave. B, left. C, leaves. Option B is the right answer. Question number 36. I'd rather you. Here tomorrow. A comes. B, come. C, came. Option C is the right answer. Question number 37. Michael rarely. Sweets because he is on a diet. A, eats. B, eat. C, eating. Option A is the right answer. Question number 38. Yesterday at this time, we. For the bus in the rain. A, have waited. B, were waiting. C, wait. Option B is the right answer. Question number 39. She usually. A walk before breakfast. A, taking. B, take. C, takes. Option C is the right answer. Question number 40. I promise I. Call you as soon as I arrive. A, will. B, should. C, may. Option A is the right answer. Question number 41. Get ducks in a row means to get A, food arranged. B, things organized. C, people gathered. Option B is the right answer. Question number 42. To worth its weight in gold means A, very valuable. B, very heavy. C, very cheap. Option A is the right answer. Question number 43. To zip your lip means A, to argue. B, to sing. C, to keep quiet. Option C is the right answer. Question number 44. Evelyn. Her grandfather's stories with interest. A. Listened in. B. Listened to. C. Listened on. Option B is the right answer. Question number 45. Zoe found herself in hot. A. Water. B. Soup. C. Fire. Option A is the right answer. Question number 46. Mia and Olivia were on the same A line, B book, C page. Option C is the right answer. Question number 47. Money does not grow on A. Grass, B. Trees, C. Bushes. Option B is the right answer. Question number 48. The students were listening. When the teacher entered, A. Carefully, B. Careless, C. Careful. Option A is the right answer. Question number 49. My father. Smoke when he was young. A. Using to. B. Used to. C. Used to. Option B is the right answer. Question number 50. The manager said he. The report the next day. A. Checking. B. Checked. C. Would check. Option C is the right answer.